Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to put up a lean-to style building as a carport for our equipment in the backyard. Make sure to stick to the end to see how it's held up a year later. Alright, so this is the roof we'll be using. We've built and used this a while back, so while I can't show you us building it, I'm going to go ahead and put a plan on the screen, and a link to that is in the description. You should be able to build it from that. Now for our legs, we're going for a 7-foot height on our high end with a 3-inch drop on our low end. So 2 at 84 and 2 at 81 inches. Please wear your safety gear. We're going to prop up our roof using the porch.
There we go. Now I'm in the perfect spot. Are you comfortable? Yeah.
Using this piece of wood as a kickstand. Each leg will be getting 4 screws to the roof. Removing the little kickstand, setting it on its front legs. Installing the final leg.
Oh, I can actually stand in here. I want to do the cleanings.
You will be.
Can I do the cleaning then?
Yeah.
Yay! I'm broom man.
Now in hindsight, this looks kind of stupid. We didn't have an outdoor broom yet, so we just used some old brooms that we had. We threw them out after this.
Alright, once we get this, see what it says? Go in these things, baby. I gotta get my mower started.
We're moving the carport into place now.
Alright, where's your side? Come on, baby. Walk with me, Shirley. Come on, Shirley. Oh, no.
And there's where it's been since. I'm going to turn over to my dad to show you how it's held up over the year and what they have done to it since then.
Alright, so here's the shed. What you can see, an addition that was done this week was those rails that are coming down at an angle here. The overall top and the metal frame has been together probably roughly over 3 years, almost 4. They've been through 18 inches of snow on it, and it's held up pretty good. The only reason we put those braces on this year was because we had a real bad windstorm. It didn't collapse or anything, but just out of precaution. There it stands with the simple 2x4 box frame over a year now.
I've been on the heat all day, so I'm starting to get hallucinations of the Cosby.
Well, you'll see.
Hey, it's me. Maybe that's why it's called a lean-to. Good luck. Oh wait, no, not good luck. Joshua 1 to Damon 0. We're almost done! Hurry up, because I'm kind of, like, I've gone through menopause twice already. There we go. Diddly do. Got it in.
Howdy diddly do,
Howdy
neighbor.
diddly do, neighbor. Hold on, something that's taller than me? That's outrageous. Are you gonna put that in the video of the following?
Oh yeah.